Welcome back to Digital Dive, the channel where we explore the latest tech news that actually matters to you. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting questions surrounding the upcoming iPhone 16 Ultra. Can its new camera system finally replace your DSLR? It sounds bold, maybe even crazy, but Apple might actually be getting close. First, let's talk about what we know so far from reliable leaks and insider reports. The iPhone 16 Ultra is rumored to feature a brand new camera array, including a 48 megapixels periscope telephoto lens, upgraded main sensor, and significantly enhanced low-light performance. Combine that with Apple's computational photography magic and the powerful A18 chip, and suddenly we're talking about DSLR-level results, in a phone that fits in your pocket. Now, let's get real. For years, smartphones have been closing the gap with DSLRs in terms of image quality for everyday users. The difference used to be night and day. But now, most people can't tell the difference between a photo taken on a high-end phone and one shot on a professional camera, especially on social media. The iPhone 16 Ultra seems to be taking that gap and closing it even further. The rumored inclusion of a variable aperture system would allow better control over depth of field, that creamy background blur we all love in portraits. Add to that 8K video recording, Pro RAW support, and Cinematic Mode 2.0, and you're starting to see the big picture here. Apple isn't just chasing numbers. They're building a complete image system. What really separates DSLRs from phones is sensor size and lens flexibility. But Apple might be bridging that with AI enhancements, scene detection, and the power of on-device editing. Imagine taking a raw photo and editing it instantly using just your iPhone. No Lightroom, no importing, no laptop. That's game-changing for mobile creators and influencers. Now for video shooters, the iPhone 16 Ultra is expected to pack some serious punch. Multiple sources suggest Apple is working on advanced subject tracking, higher bitrate recording, and even support for external SSDs for content creators. This pushes the iPhone beyond just a phone camera. It becomes a serious production tool. But can it really replace a DSLR? Here's where things get interesting. If you're a professional wedding or wildlife photographer who relies on massive lenses and manual control, the answer is no. Not yet. But if you're a content creator, vlogger, or even a small business owner who needs stunning visuals fast, this phone might do everything you need and more. Portability, speed, editing convenience, and the fact that it's always in your pocket. The iPhone 16 Ultra could be the best tool for 90% of everyday use. And for many people, that means leaving the bulky DSLR at home more often. So, is it worth the hype? If these leaks are accurate, and let's be honest, many of them are, then yes. The iPhone 16 Ultra's camera system could be the biggest leap forward in mobile photography since the iPhone X. And it might just be good enough to replace your DSLR in more situations than ever before. That's it for today's deep dive. If you found this video helpful or eye-opening, drop a like, hit subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss the next tech drop. Let me know in the comments, would you ditch your DSLR for the iPhone 16 Ultra? Thanks for watching Digital Dive. See you in the next one.